Hi, I'm Ashley Angelo Heenan, Dental Assisted's founder and lead instructor. As grateful as I am to be a dental professional, I am more fortunate to be able to train them, to equip each with skills not only to better their careers, but to bring them back to the office with more confidence. It is no secret that there is a mental and physical toll taken in order to run a smooth dental office. Having each staff member perform at their highest level is very hard. That's where Dental Assisted comes in. Our courses increase profitability, but more notably, efficiency. As the great basketball coach Phil Jackson once said, the strength of the team is each individual, and the strength of each individual is the team. So after training and awarding over 5,000 certificates in various courses, I am thrilled to offer you our most advanced instruction to date, our restorative course. It's a dual online and hands-on course. The hands-on portion is taught over 4 days. The assistant learns how to place, carve, and finish amalgam restorations, place, pack, and finish composite restorations, and place inter restorations, all under the supervision of a dentist, of course.
Prior to the dismissal of the patient, the supervising dentist must approve and examine procedures done by the dental assistant. The supervising dentist shall be responsible for all dental services or procedures performed by the dental assistant. A dentist utilizing dental assistants shall not supervise more than 4 dental assistants at any one time for placing, carving, and finishing of amalgam restorations or placing, packing, and finishing composite restorations.
So come join us in January to make your office more efficient.